I wanted to go over a couple of the PDF files that I have included with this report. A lot of these are from Lightning Source, and these are like really important. Uh, this is your file creation guide. This is going to be everything that you need to know how to format your documents for uploading into lightningsource.com. It gives you all the sizes, the requirements. So take your time. Read a lot of this stuff is technical, but this is stuff that you really need to know. And they got everything outlined for you. It's really easy to follow. And they got screenshots of what you have to do. So yeah, it's going to be different for paperbacks in color or black and white. I think all the covers are colored nowadays. So just follow everything as best you can, and you'll be okay. Here's how to upload your files to Lightning Source. Also with screenshots and everything, and this is just a short little thing. That's really easy anyway, so you're not going to have any trouble with that. This is how to set your ebook titles in Lightning Source. I wouldn't even bother doing that. I mean, you can, because you could set up ebook titles and they will be put on sites that sell ebooks other than Amazon.com. Obviously, the Kindle edition is limited to strictly Amazon. So if you want to load up a ebook, I haven't had much success with the ebooks with Lightning Source. I mean, I do sell some, but Kindle far outweighs what I have done with ebooks going through Lightning Source. There are some sites that do sell some titles, but that's your choice. Okay, and this is how to place an order for your own books. This is a short and sweet guide. It's only 4 pages. Really very easy. This is a really strong, I would say, benefit of going through Lightning Source to order these yourself, because they are so cheap and you can pass on the cost to your customers. You're virtually making 100% of the profit on these things. Here's another thing on digital file submission standards that you're going to want to overlook. You're not going to want to overlook, all the formats that they use, text blocks and oh, this is the tags that Kindle supports. They don't support all HTML tags. As of right now, this is what they support. So now that could change in the next Kindle edition, but right now this is what they support. And the last thing I wanted to show you was the Kindle cheat sheet. Right here, these are very important. Kindle customer service number, telephone number, also their email address for support. And they were actually very good with support. I have had no issues with them. So, I usually get a response, within a day. Usually within a day, same day. I've had no problem with their support. Also, the links to the Mobi Pocket Creator, digital text platform by Amazon. Here's a Lightning Source link. And, these are a lot of things that you'll find handy to use. All right, that's about it on the PDFs included.